Students, we were doing chapter reproduction of food, you can say producing food. So in this chapter we have started a topic that in the previous class, that was things needed by a farmer to grow crops. What were the things that a farmer needs to grow crops? So first we have discussed about seed, right? So what do farmers do, children? They bring or they buy the good quality seed. Why are they buying good quality seed? Because they think if they will sow the good quality seed in their fields, so they will be getting a good quality crop also, right? After that, second second thing that a farmers requires is irrigation. Children, word irrigation here implies that how they can supply water to their fields, because it is not easy, right, for a single person to give supply water in all over the field. So there are different ways in watering a field. Now the first way, that is basin irrigation. Now what is basin irrigation? In this technique, the land is first surrounded with embankments to form a basin. Then a basin is flooded with water. Crops like paddy are irrigated by this technique. Now if you can see the picture, this first picture if I show you, इसमें if what they do, वो एक फील्ड को पहले तो प्लाव करेंगे, लेवल करेंगे, उसके बाद फील्ड के चारों तरफ एक छोटी सी बाउंड्री बना देते हैं, राइट, सो दैट वाटर शुड नॉट कम आउट ऑफ द फील्ड. उसके बाद वो जो ग्राउंड बनता है उसको वो पानी से भर देते हैं, लाइक अ फ्लड, और फिर उसमें सीड्स सो करते हैं. इस तरह के फील्डिंग हम पेडी क्रॉप्स के लिए करते हैं. पेडी मीन्स राइस, राइट. नाउ सेकेंड टेक्निक दैट इज रिक्वायर्ड फॉर इरीगेशन इज furrow irrigation. What is furrow irrigation? In this technique, the furrows and ridges are made on the farmland in order to water crops, which are grown in rows. Crops such as maize, sugarcane and sunflower are normally watered in furrow region. Now see the second picture. You can see these lines. These are furrows, right? इसमें जब हम वाटर सप्लाई करते हैं तो पानी इन जो बनती हैं क्यारियाँ उसमें फिल करते हैं, so that it is easy to supply water to everyone. Then is sprinkler irrigation. Children, sprinkler means you have seen in your school also, in the garden, when the garden has been watered, the grass has been watered, you have seen it, right? Now a farmer knows that a field needs to be irrigated with the right amount of water. Yes, this is also very important कि अगर हम कभी किसी प्लांट को unnecessarily बहुत ज़्यादा अमाउंट में पानी सप्लाई करेंगे तो what will happen? The plant will get damaged, right? So we should only give a accurate amount of water to the crops, neither too less nor too much, because excess of water can damage your crops. Then is your manure and fertilizers. Next thing what farmers need is your manures and fertilizers. Manures and fertilizers means children, जो हम जैसे आप देखते हो गार्डनिंग में आप देखते हो तो आपके घर में जो गार्डनिंग करते हैं या गार्डनर्स होते हैं तो वो क्या करते हैं, खाद डालते हैं. खाद बिकॉज so that the plant should grow in a proper way. All soils are not naturally fertile. Moreover, nutrients get used up each year by the crops, so they need to be replenished. अब ऑब्वियसली आता है कि अगर हम कंटिन्यूसली किसी ज़मीन पे क्रॉप्स ग्रो करेंगे तो चिल्ड्रन क्रॉप्स ग्रो करने के टाइम पे व्हाट हैपन्स इज द सॉइल लूजेज इट्स फर्टिलिटी. What is fertility? Fertility means the nutrients, the minerals that are present in the soil, which are required by a plant to grow, are being finished off. तो इसलिए हम ये मैन्योर और फर्टिलाइजर्स का यूज़ करते हैं ताकि सॉइल की जो फर्टिलिटी है वो वापस आ जाए. Manures are made by the decomposition of plants and animal waste. Fertilizers are chemical counting nitrogen, potassium and phosphate. Please underline the line. Manure are made by the decomposition of plant and animal waste. Fertilizers are chemical containing nitrogen, potassium and phosphate. Fertilizers have higher nutrient content than manure. Why? Because मैन्योर जो होता है वो क्या होता है, वो हमारा डेली लाइक प्लांट्स का जो रेसिड्यू है या एनिमल वेस्ट से हम बनाते हैं, पर वो इतना इफ़ेक्टिव नहीं होता है जितने कि हमारे फर्टिलाइज़र्स होते हैं. वाई? बिकॉज फर्टिलाइज़र्स चिल्ड्रन कंटेन केमिकल्स, राइट, एंड केमिकल्स कैन ईजिली इंक्रीज द फर्टिलिटी ऑफ अ सॉइल. पेस्टिसाइड्स एंड इंसेक्टिसाइड्स. अब क्या होता है कि आप देखते हो जब हमारे क्रॉप्स ग्रो होते हैं तो आप कई बार देखते हो कि इंसेक्ट्स लग जाते हैं क्रॉप्स पे, और वो क्या करते हैं, क्रॉप्स को डैमेज कर देते हैं या तो उसके लिए हम पेस्टिसाइड्स और इंसेक्टिसाइड्स का यूज़ करते हैं. समटाइम्स द क्रॉप्स आर डिस्ट्रॉयड बाय इंसेक्ट्स, weeds or pests like birds and rats. Insecticide and pesticides. Now please underline again. Insecticide and pesticides are chemicals which kill these harmful insects and pests. They are sprayed on the crops, but these chemicals are highly toxic and get absorbed by the plant. They harm animals and well as the human beings. Not only they are harming the plant, they also harm the animal beings because these are very highly toxic. They are chemicals. Most of the time they kill not only the harmful organism but also useful also, क्योंकि किसी भी चीज़ का चिल्ड्रन एक्सेस में लेना वो उस चीज़ के लिए बहुत प्रॉब्लमेटिक हो जाता है, राइट. So children, I am ending over here today. Tomorrow again I will be coming back.